All right. What time is it now, you guys? Can you tell? This is in a time lapse mode, so the second hand is spinning like super fast. I figure it's a really cool visual to show you guys how this watch actually works. So let's get into all of the details as usual. I'm excited to take a deep dive with you guys together to see all of the details on this beautiful piece. Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Vivian again. I have a very special box here. When I received it, the box is a little bit different than the jewelry box. If you have watched the videos on the channel, you know I love Cartier jewelry. I'm bringing to you another Cartier watch, which is the Ballon Bleu, and let's open it up together first. It's always a moment when you open a Cartier piece, and I felt the same way about this two-tone Ballon Bleu watch. And today we are going to take a close look at this beautiful object because obviously we see it on other people when they're wearing it, but have you seen the breakdown? So this particular Ballon Bleu I have on hand is a two-tone 36 mechanical movement. So it is not quartz. It does need a little bit more maintenance when you're wearing it because it's not a quartz movement, so you do have to wind the watch, which if you are a watch lover, you probably appreciate the detail because you get to have a moment with your mechanical watch. This is really beautiful. For this Ballon Bleu lineup, there are various sizes. So we are talking about the smallest size, which starts at 28 millimeter. Then we have the size 33, size 36, and it goes up to size 40 and 42. And if you go on the Cartier website right now, you can also find the Ballon Blanc, which is a slightly different design that has a diamond crown somewhere around 4 o'clock over here. And for the Ballon Blanc, there are two sizes that's offered in that line, which is size 26 and 30. They're slightly smaller, and the design of the bezel is a little bit different than the Ballon Bleu. To me, that one looks a lot more elegant and also more traditional in the way because Ballon Bleu goes up to size 42 millimeter, which in women watch world is considered a pretty big size. I did pick out the size 36 to review today because for my height and my wrist size, I do feel the size 36 fit me the best. So let me try it on for you and have you guys have a look and tell me what you think it looks like on me. Okay, it's time to try this watch on with you guys. I'm super excited. So they also have a double deployant buckle, so you can open it like this. Sometimes when it's on your wrist, you can just pull the top part. I can't do it very well, but I will show you guys. I have the links adjusted to my wrist size, so it fits perfectly right here. And basically, this is what it looks like on. I absolutely love the two-tone look. I do like that there is a pop of gold color amongst the links because it does reflect different light and it does elevate the look a little bit more. And I also love that it has a beautiful round dial, which traditionally round dials are used very often, and we see a lot of other innovations in watch design that kind of just takes you through like different shapes. So I personally do like the traditional round watch dial. The Ballon Bleu, it's amongst one of the top 2 or top 3 most popular Cartier ladies watch styles, if not number 1. I have previously reviewed 2 different other watches, so I'll make sure I put the links of both of those 2 watches in the description. Let me take you guys into a deeper look at this watch and show you guys all of the details. So without further ado, let's dive in a little bit more and zoom in on all of the details of this watch. All right. What time is it now, you guys? Can you tell? Just kidding, you guys. This is in a time lapse mode, so the second hand is spinning like super fast. I figure it's a really cool visual to show you guys how this watch actually works. So let's get into all of the details as usual. I'm excited to take a deep dive with you guys together to see all of the details on this beautiful piece. time to get down to the real business, my first luxury style. I'm not playing, and you guys know that I like to take you into the closer look of all jewelry and watches within my ability. So here is a beautiful Ballon Bleu watch, and as you can tell, I am kind of fascinated by this dome-shaped crystal that is covering the watch, and you can see in certain angle it kind of disappears and then it comes back up. It kind of serves as a magnifier, so it makes everything, the dial, easier and clearer to read. And overall, this watch has a very round and very sleek design, even though it is in a traditional round dial. The links of the watch is made of stainless steel and yellow gold, so it's a mixed gold two-tone look, which I think is younger than the full stainless steel look. However, if you are looking for more of a practical piece, perhaps full stainless steel is a better choice for you. But the two-tone look definitely has more of a youthful and sometimes more glammed look. And like I mentioned earlier, this is an automatic piece, which it is a mechanical movement. Once you wind it, it does have some power reserve. This is the side profile of the watch, which kind of gives you that half dome look, but it's not completely like raised up where it's like really bulky. And I think that's where the beauty of the watch comes in, and I just can't seem to get enough playing around with this crystal. What we're looking at over here is a printed dial, and you can see these are not engraved, so all of the branding and also the Roman numerals are printed beautifully on the dial. And this is when the intricate and the beauty of luxury comes in, and I can seek beauty everywhere when I look at the dial. And also the dial and the pattern that you're looking at is actually a silver gouache opaline dial, which is a very intricate technique that's used here to make up this beautiful dial. And the hands on the watch are blue steel sword-shaped hands. Another beautiful detail I found on the dial of the watch is the Cartier lettering here that's printed at the 7 o'clock. It's such a little detail, if you're not paying attention, probably won't see it. One of the most iconic design on the Ballon Bleu watch is the crown here, and this crown is made of fluted 18-karat yellow gold set with a synthetic carbonchon shaped spinel. The Cartier website described the Ballon Bleu as floating like a balloon and as blue as the carbonchon safely nestled in its inside. The Ballon Bleu watch by Cartier adds a dash of elegance to male and female wrists alike. The bracelets on the watch both are showing polished side out, and on the inside of the bracelet you can see that it's more of a matte look. Like most timepieces, all of the information about this particular timepiece have been engraved on the backside of the watch. You can see that it has a stainless steel case and also some internal code like this one right here. I'm not too sure what it interprets to, but I'm sure when you send the watch in for service, all of watchmakers will understand, you know, the in and outs about the watch and where it's made and all of that. So engravings can really be found throughout the watch. This is where the clasp is, and also there's a ACA, / AU750. AU750 is a gold hallmark, and over here is probably a Cartier stamp of some sort. I do think the 36 is slightly too big for me at the moment. However, you know that I like to wear my jewelry with me as well, so let me switch it over and see what does this watch look like with all the Cartier jewelry together. So here is an unedited picture of the watch with my jewelry. You can see that it's taking up quite a lot of space on my wrist. I do find that it does interfere with my jewelry, so I would like to wear it on the other hand. And over here on the right hand side, you can see from like a further shot that it pretty much sits on top of the love bracelet, which is not ideal because it will create more scratches on the gold jewelry. And here's a video of me wearing it on my left hand where I don't have the jewelry stack, and it does look a lot better and cleaner, and this is my preferred way. Do you like the plain look without jewelry stacked together, or do you prefer to see the watch wear with the jewelry? If you follow my first luxury on Instagram as well, sometimes I do ask you questions like what you want to watch. When I did a poll for watch reviews, a lot of you have voted for the Tank Française as well as the Ballon Bleu. So today I did the Ballon Bleu review. review, but a lot of you have also asked me to do a review on the Rolex Datejust because it's just one of the most popular, I think, ladies watches, first choice wise. So I do think the price point for this particular piece is less than Rolex. We know that Cartier is a very known jeweler from back in the day, and Rolex is really focusing on watchmaking. There are some differences to compare between these two houses, but if you're interested to see a comparison between the Ballon Bleu and the Rolex Datejust, just give this video a thumbs up and also leave in the comment letting me know that you would like to watch that video. I'll find a way to show you guys a comparison between the two. Alrighty, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Like I said, if you have missed the other two watches I reviewed from Cartier, they are the Cartier Panther watch and also the Tank Française watch, both for ladies. So make sure you check the description box below, and don't forget that I am going to be hosting an Hermes giveaway coming up on the channel. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and more details will be shared in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.